Hi, my name is Aria, and in this Think Big Minute, we're bringing the trade show to you. Here we have an example of conveyor belt repair and protection using a two-part polyurethane resin called Belzona 2211. This product features easy-to-apply, fast, cold-curing properties with outstanding elongation and flexibility that can be applied to rubber and metal components. Check out these pictures from when our crew used Belzona 2211 as a solution for a customer whose conveyor belt suffered a 20-foot tear caused by the wear of transporting demolition site debris. Without removing the belt from its machine, our crew prepped and applied Belzona 2211 to repair the tear, allowing the customer to place their conveyor belt back in service. That's all for today's Think Big Minute. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Think Big Thursdays. Lastly, feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below.